Hello students, myself Kailash Chandra Sahu. We are discussing about the programs using string functions. Last session we had discussed about the definitions of the functions and their use. This session we will discuss only the programs which are to be solved. Write a program to input a sentence, find and display the following number of words present in the sentence, and second one, number of the letters present in the sentence. Assume that the sentence has neither include any digit nor a special character. The program follows: import java.utility, which can be used to import the Java utility package. Define the class by using public class sentence. Here sentence is a class name. Define the method public static void main string hours. In the method block, we have to define the object of the scanner class by using scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. You can use the prompt message to enter the sentence in a system.out.println. Enter any sentence. Input the sentence and store in S by using string s equal to sc dot next line. Add one space at the end of the sentence. Find out the length of the sentence and store in L. Declare the variable ch as character. Count I, W as integer. Create a loop by using for I equal to 0, I is less than L, I plus plus. Find out the individual character by using ch equal to s dot chr at of I. The character is to be compared with the space. If it is not equal to space, then count equal to count plus 1, else w equal to w plus 1. After finishing the loop, what the value is stored in w, that is the number of words present in the sentence, and what is the value stored in count, that is the number of letters present in the sentence. Here we'll go for the second program. Write a program in Java to accept a word or a sentence and display the new string after removing all the vowels present in it. The input should be computer application. The output should be CMPTR, PPL, CTNS. The program follows the previous program. We have to import the java.utility to a program by using import java.utility.strict public class word. Then method is to be defined public static void main string hours. In the method block, scanner object is to be created by using scanner s equal to new scanner system.in system.out.println. Enter any sentence. This is the prompt message to enter any sentence. Then input the string and store in S by using string s equal to sc dot next line. Add one space at the end of the sentence. Find out the length of the sentence. Then all the characters of the sentence convert into an uppercase by using s equal to h dot to uppercase. Declare the variable ch and declare the variable w as string. Create a for loop by mentioning for int I equal to 0, I is less than L, I plus plus. Find out the individual character and store in ch. If ch is not equal to space, Then each character is to be compared with all the vowels of the alphabet. If the character is not equal to any one vowel of the alphabet, then that is to be stored in W by using W equal to W plus CH. If the character is a space, then one space is to be added at the W. Continue the loop or process to end up the character. After finishing the for loop, what is stored in the W is to be printed by mentioning system.out.println W. Then third program, write a program in Java to accept a name containing 3 words and display only the initial, the first letter of each word. This, like previous program, we have to import the java.utility.strict to include the package to your class. Define the class initial in a program, public class initial. Define the method. Create an object, scanner object sc, scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in, system.out.println. Enter any name with 3 words. Input the sentence or the name and store in S. One space is added before the name because we have to find out each word's first character. Convert the sentence or the name into an uppercase. Find the length and store in L. Declare the variable ch as character and s1 as string. Put in a loop by using for int I equal to 0, I is less than L, I plus plus. Then ch equal to s dot chr at of I to find out the individual character from the name. If ch equal to space, then the next character you have to find out by using s1 equal to s1 plus s dot chr at of I plus 1 plus space. Continue the loop till end of the character. After finishing the loop, what is stored in S1, that is the initial name of each word. Thank you.